how to sign up to TradingView. So if you want to sign up to TradingView, then you can simply open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and you can go and search for TradingView.com. Once you search for TradingView.com, here you will have this kind of interface where it will take you to an option of sign up. And once you have this option, you can simply sign up with your Google or Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple, LinkedIn, or you can also choose email. So I'll be choosing email. Enter your email and then enter your password or create your password. Once you've created your password, click on I'm not a robot and then click on create account. And if it says this email is already in use, then you need to enter a new email or another email address, because you can't create your account with the same email. Once you enter the email, click on I'm not a robot and then click on create account and your account will be created. So that's how you can create your TradingView account, or that's how you can sign up. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.